The gut-brain axis: how your gut health influences your mental well-being. Welcome to Healthy Nutrition, where we explore the fascinating world of how what we eat impacts our overall well-being. Today, we delve into the intricate connection between our gut and brain, uncovering the secrets of the gut-brain axis and its influence on our mental health. Join us as we uncover the key role gut microbiota play in shaping our mood, explore how stress and diet can affect our mental state, and discover how a healthy gut can lead to a happier mind. Stay tuned to learn how understanding the gut-brain axis can empower you to make informed choices for a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content on nourishing your mind and body. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system connecting your brain and your gut. The gut-brain axis serves as a crucial bridge between your brain and your gut, facilitating a complex, bidirectional communication system within the body. This connection allows for constant information exchange, influencing both physical and mental well-being. Research suggests that the gut and the brain are in constant communication through various channels, such as the nervous system, immune system, and hormonal pathways. One interesting aspect of the gut-brain axis is the role of the vagus nerve, which plays a significant part in this bidirectional communication. This nerve serves as a vital link, allowing signals to travel between the brain and the gut, impacting functions such as digestion, mood, and even behavior. Moreover, the gut is home to a vast array of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiota, which also contribute to this communication system. These microorganisms produce neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which can influence mood and mental health. Another fascinating point to consider is the impact of the gut-brain axis on conditions like anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that an imbalance in gut bacteria can affect mental health, potentially leading to these disorders. By nurturing a healthy gut environment through proper nutrition and lifestyle habits, individuals can positively influence their mental well-being. Understanding and supporting the gut-brain axis is crucial for maintaining overall health and highlighting the intricate connection between the gut and the brain. Gut microbiota play a crucial role in regulating neurotransmitters that affect mood and behavior. The gut microbiota, consisting of trillions of microorganisms residing in the gastrointestinal tract, play a significant role in regulating neurotransmitters that affect mood and behavior. These microorganisms actively participate in the production and modulation of various neurotransmitters crucial for mental well-being. One key neurotransmitter impacted by the gut microbiota is serotonin, often referred to as the happiness hormone. Serotonin production primarily occurs in the gut and influences mood, anxiety, and stress levels, highlighting the essential role of gut health in mental health. Moreover, the gut microbiota are involved in the production of other neurotransmitters, such as gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, and dopamine. GABA is known for its calming effects on the brain and helps reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Dopamine, on the other hand, is associated with pleasure and reward, affecting motivation and behavior. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters due to disruptions in the gut microbiota can contribute to mood disorders and cognitive impairment. Interestingly, the gut-brain axis serves as the communication pathway through which signals related to neurotransmitter production are transmitted between the gut and the brain. This bidirectional communication system allows for the regulation of neurotransmitters that impact mood and behavior. Maintaining a diverse and balanced gut microbiota through a healthy diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics is essential for supporting optimal neurotransmitter production and overall mental well-being. By understanding the intricate relationship between the gut microbiota and neurotransmitters, individuals can implement strategies to support a healthy gut environment, positively influencing mood, behavior, and cognitive function. Prioritizing gut health through lifestyle choices and dietary habits can have profound effects on mental well-being, emphasizing the crucial role of the gut microbiota in regulating neurotransmitters linked to mood and behavior. Stress and diet can significantly impact the balance of gut bacteria, influencing mental health. Chronic stress and dietary choices can exert profound effects on the balance of gut bacteria, subsequently influencing mental health outcomes. High levels of stress trigger the release of hormones such as cortisol, which can disrupt the composition of gut microbiota. Stress-induced alterations in gut bacteria can lead to inflammation and compromise the integrity of the gut barrier, contributing to mental health disorders. Additionally, stress-related changes in gut bacteria can impact the production of neurotransmitters vital for mood regulation, highlighting the intricate interplay between stress, gut health, and mental well-being. Furthermore, dietary patterns play a crucial role in shaping the composition of gut bacteria. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats is associated with an imbalance in gut microbiota diversity, leading to a state known as dysbiosis. Dysbiosis has been linked to various mental health conditions, including anxiety and depression. On the other hand, a diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods can promote a diverse gut microbiota, supporting overall mental and emotional wellness. Research suggests that the gut microbiota can influence the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, a key system involved in the body's response to stress. Dysregulation of the HPA axis due to imbalances in gut bacteria can perpetuate a cycle of chronic stress and mental health disturbances. Lifestyle interventions focused on stress reduction strategies, dietary modifications, and gut health optimization can help restore the balance of gut bacteria, ultimately promoting improved mental well-being. By adopting a holistic approach that addresses both stress management techniques and dietary habits, individuals can support the equilibrium of gut bacteria and positively impact mental health outcomes. Recognizing the intricate relationship between stress, diet, gut health, and mental well-being empowers individuals to make informed choices that nurture a balanced gut microbiome and promote overall mental wellness. A healthy gut can help reduce inflammation in the brain, potentially alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. The link between gut health and mental well-being extends to the role of a healthy gut in reducing brain inflammation, a key factor in anxiety and depression. Research indicates that gut dysbiosis, characterized by an imbalance in gut bacteria, is associated with increased inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation in the brain can impair neurotransmitter function and disrupt neural pathways involved in mood regulation, potentially exacerbating symptoms of anxiety and depression. Moreover, the gut-brain axis serves as a bidirectional communication system, allowing gut microbes to influence immune responses and inflammatory processes in the brain. Disruption of this axis, as seen in conditions of gut dysbiosis, can lead to the release of pro-inflammatory molecules that cross the blood-brain barrier, triggering neuroinflammation. By maintaining a healthy gut microbiome through dietary and lifestyle interventions, individuals can help modulate the inflammatory response in the brain and mitigate the impact on mental health. Studies have shown that certain beneficial gut bacteria, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species, can produce anti-inflammatory compounds that help regulate immune function and reduce systemic inflammation. These beneficial microbes interact with the gut lining and immune cells, exerting anti-inflammatory effects that extend to the brain. Restoring the balance of gut bacteria through probiotics, prebiotics, and dietary changes can promote the production of these anti-inflammatory molecules, potentially alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression associated with brain inflammation. Incorporating gut-friendly foods rich in fiber, polyphenols, and essential nutrients can support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria that contribute to anti-inflammatory pathways. Additionally, lifestyle factors such as regular physical activity, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep play a critical role in maintaining gut health and reducing inflammation in the brain. By recognizing the impact of a healthy gut on brain function and mental health, individuals can leverage the gut-brain axis as a pathway to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression through proactive gut nurturing strategies. Understanding the gut-brain axis can empower you to make informed choices for better mental well-being. By delving into the intricacies of the gut-brain axis, individuals can gain valuable insight into the profound connection between gut health and mental well-being. The gut-brain axis represents a dynamic communication network involving the central nervous system, the enteric nervous system, and the gut microbiome. This complex interplay influences various aspects of brain function, mood regulation, and emotional well-being. Understanding this bidirectional relationship empowers individuals to cultivate a holistic approach to mental wellness that encompasses both physical and emotional health. Research suggests that the gut microbiome plays a pivotal role in modulating neurotransmitter levels, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for mood regulation and emotional balance. The production of these neurotransmitters in the gut is influenced by the composition of the gut bacteria, highlighting the impact of gut health on mental well-being. By fostering a diverse and balanced gut microbiome through dietary diversity, fermented foods, and probiotics, individuals can support the synthesis of neurotransmitters that promote positive mood and mental resilience. Furthermore, the gut-brain axis is intertwined with the immune system, as the gut is a primary site of immune activity in the body. Dysregulation of the gut microbiome can trigger immune responses that contribute to systemic inflammation and oxidative stress, factors linked to mental health disorders. By nurturing gut health through anti-inflammatory foods, stress reduction techniques, and targeted supplementation, individuals can help mitigate the inflammatory burden on the brain and enhance resilience to mental health challenges. Engaging with the principles of gut health and the gut-brain axis empowers individuals to make informed choices that prioritize their mental well-being. By recognizing the influence of gut health on brain function and emotional resilience, individuals can adopt proactive strategies that support both digestive health and mental wellness. Through targeted interventions that optimize the gut-brain axis, individuals can harness the transformative power of gut health to enhance their overall quality of life and cultivate a resilient mind-body connection. The gut-brain axis: how your gut health influences your mental well-being. Ready to unlock the potential of your gut for a healthier mind? Dive deeper into the gut-brain axis and discover how simple changes can transform your mental well-being. Subscribe now for more enriching content on optimizing your mind and body. Your journey to a happier you starts here.